Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing new Dulhan Mehndi design ideas for brides-to-be. These intricate and elegant patterns will make your hands look stunning on your big day. Let's get started. Segment 1. Full Hand Bridal Mehndi Design. Let's begin with a full hand bridal Mehndi design. This pattern features detailed floral motifs, paisleys, and traditional elements, creating a grand and regal bridal look. Segment 2. Dulhan Portrait Mehndi Design. For a unique touch, try this Dulhan Portrait Mehndi design. It includes beautifully detailed bride and groom figures, jewelry motifs, and wedding symbols, making it perfect for your special day. Segment 3. Peacock Bridal Mehndi Design. Peacocks symbolize beauty and grace. This peacock bridal Mehndi design adds an artistic charm with feathered details and bold outlines, making it a breathtaking choice for any bride. Segment 4. Mandala Bridal Mehndi Design. Mandalas are a classic choice for brides. This mandala bridal Mehndi design features perfectly symmetrical circles and detailed patterns, giving your hands an elegant and balanced look. Segment 5. Intricate Finger Mehndi for Brides. To complete the bridal Mehndi look, add intricate finger Mehndi patterns. These delicate details enhance the overall beauty of your hands, making them picture-perfect for wedding celebrations. Which new Dulhan Mehndi design did you love the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Wishing all brides to be a beautiful and joyful wedding.